Hi, TR here. This video is on the Emotional Wellness PSA assignment. On the content page, you will see a little bit of discussion on public service announcements. Carefully read that, please. You will see a video. If you're having any issues, please watch this video. And let's continue scrolling down. Part 1 is the creative part of this assignment. There are 6 parts, and I'm asking you to carefully read each section and then decide which one of these you are going to use as the part 1 of your assignment. Part 2 looks at the definition of emotional wellness, vocabulary, and demonstrating how it impacts at least 2 other parts of the wellness wheel and 2 specific strategies to improve emotional wellness, plus a graphic to enhance your information. Cite all sources used. That is part 2 of this assignment. And part 3 is the thoughtful reply. Now, hopefully you have, as I've instructed, looked through all of the announcements, and in there you will see an announcement on thoughtful replies. Very strongly recommend that you carefully read that content page. Now, the part 3 is a reply to another student. So that's not going to be submitted. You're going to find another student's entry, and you're going to discuss it. Now, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Here is the rubric that I use with this assignment. You are going to start and submit parts 1 and 2 in the discussion assignment thread, emotional wellness. That means you will go to this icon and click on this icon and scroll down to the bottom of that page until you find the Emotional Wellness PSA thread. If you have any questions about threads, be sure to go back to the second content page and the first module, and that will help you. Once you've done this, then you're going to move to Module 3 quiz content page. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye now.